Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, India's Honest Review. Today we have a new unboxing video for you, featuring a product from the very famous brand CELLO. Today's product is the CELLO H2O glass water bottle. We get these water bottles in a set of 3 pieces. They are perfect for office and daily use. I ordered it with a blue lid. Apart from this, it is also available in black, transparent, red cap, and many other options. This bottle is 920 milliliters. It is transparent, durable, freezable, and fridge safe. The biggest special feature is that these bottles are leak-proof, have a wide mouth, and are lead-free. It is made from toughened glass, which is why we can easily use it in the kitchen for day-to-day life, and also for travel. On opening, I found the bottles to be of very good quality, and they are a best option for summers. Plus, it is CELLO brand, so there is no compromise on quality. On these bottles, you will find H2O written in black color. Plus, the lid I ordered is in transparent blue. These are simple bottles made of thick glass. They look very unique and elegant. The design is simple with nothing excessive. You will find these bottle lids in many color options, which is a great choice. Also, because of the wide mouth, these bottles become even more useful for us. Additionally, we can easily prepare and store detox water in them and use them however we like. The bottles look very elegant, simple, and professional. You can even carry them to the office. Upon opening, the lid is also of very good quality. The lid is plastic, but they have used high-quality plastic and good quality glass. However, the bottle is a bit heavy to lift, which is obvious since it is made of glass. You can consider it as a solid purchase and give it a try once. You will definitely like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and can now proceed to the link in description box. Thank you.